How's it going, you guys? Working on this little 2005 Suzuki LT-A50, little two-stroke ATV. Issue was it just would not crank. You know, it had a new top end, new spark plug, got spark, got almost 100 psi of compression, got fuel, you know, because the spark plug would be damp, but it just would not fire. So we pull the flywheel off. You know, that's the flywheel side. That seal right there in the middle, right, you know, next that crank seal right there, is basically worn out. It was hanging out, you know, sitting outside that chamber. So hopefully just replacing it is gonna resolve this issue. Otherwise, this thing is gonna have to be just tossed for dirt cheap, because pointless to have to replace the whole bottom end and everything if that's worn out, which is not, because this bike does not have a lot of time on it, as you can see how clean it is and whatnot. You know, this thing is not clapped out at all. Anyway, so this seal, this is the one that came out of it. It just basically would not hold its position in there. And so not a big deal, hopefully. I mean, we've been reading online what other people have done and all that, and many people just replaced this seal and that fixed the problem. So keep our fingers crossed, hope so, because we bought this thing dirt cheap because the guy couldn't crank it, and that's why. Anyway, it's got a new cylinder, new piston rings, new gaskets, new spark plug. You know, everything else is good to go. So hopefully that's all there is. Anyway, check out our other videos. We got all kinds of stuff relating to, mostly to motorcycles, dirt bikes, lawnmowers, cars, trucks, household items, stuff. We're always working on stuff, so we try to help you out if we discover anything. And hopefully the next video we post will be of this thing running, because we're about to put her back together, and we may go ahead and replace the coil here, because that's all this stuff is original, and this is a 2005 model, so we've already got all the parts. We might as well go ahead and swap it all out, because it doesn't cost much to exchange these items once you got it apart, especially. So we just might do that as well. Anywho, check out other stuff. We will see y'all later.